There comes a time when we realize all the earth has given us and we wish to give back. Concha y Toro creates wines of excellent quality by respecting the balance and harmony between man and nature. With this same vision, Concha y Toro and its affiliates are committed to sustainable development, progressing constantly towards their goal of sustainability based on a solid business model and socially equitable growth. Sustainable development is the ability to meet our generation's needs without compromising future generations' ability to meet their own needs. This area has three interrelated objectives: responsibility for the environment, economic growth, and social equity. Various indicators exist to measure the burden man is putting on the planet. The carbon footprint is an estimate of the greenhouse gas emissions produced directly or indirectly by a person, organization, or product. Since 2007, Concha y Toro has estimated its carbon footprint, composed of its direct emissions, such as fuel consumption, and indirect emissions, such as packaging. One of the opportunities to reduce emissions is in packaging. In 2008, the company developed the Lightweight Bottles Initiative. This new bottle design consumes less energy both in the production process as well as in transportation. This translated into 28,000 tons less glass between 2010 and 2013 and reducing 32,000 tons of CO2 emissions. More than 96% of the winery and its subsidiaries' 750 milliliter bottles now use the new lightweight format. In 2013, the vineyard accredited reductions of more than 17,000 tons of CO2 from the Lightweight Bottles Initiative through the Chilean Ministry of Environment. For its general excellence in emissions reduction, the winery was distinguished among the leaders of Climate Change 2013 in Chile and also received special distinction for the best carbon footprint estimate. Similar to the carbon footprint, the water footprint is an estimate of the volume of water that is consumed or contaminated directly or indirectly. In 2010, Concha y Toro formed a partnership with the international organization Water Footprint Network, becoming the first winery in the world to estimate its water footprint. At the same time, Concha y Toro has carried out energy efficiency audits. Several pilot projects have been implemented, such as changing facilities' lighting systems, which led to energy savings of up to 70%. Also, further pilot projects are underway introducing thermal solar panels aimed at reducing the use of fossil fuels in the winery. The winery offered its first carbon-neutral product in 2011, neutralizing emissions for Sunrise wine in its Nordic markets. It's more. Sunrise became the first brand in history to be carbon neutral globally, reducing 11,000 tons of CO2 through internal emissions reductions. With climate change in mind, Concha y Toro has selected riverside areas to plant certain vineyards. Their location allows ocean breezes that pass through the river basins to cool down high daytime temperatures. These areas act as cool havens for quality wine growing during global warming. In 2011, Viña Palo Alto introduced the company's first organic product, a fresh wine offering the best of each variety while caring for the environment. Concha y Toro also launched a new line of wines called Frontera Specialties at the end of 2013, showcasing the historic variety País in an effort to preserve an important rural Chilean winemaking tradition. País is found in an area without irrigation, where it is kept alive only by the generosity of the soil, climate, and people. The company partnered with small traditional producers of País, granting them the opportunity to introduce their special grape to the world while preserving the legacy of the old País vines. Concha y Toro protects Chile's natural heritage. More than 3,000 hectares of natural forest in its vineyards have been officially registered by the company, helping to conserve endemic species. 96% of the total area of natural forest on company land has been studied in order to complete a biodiversity inventory. The winery's objective is to continue to conserve biodiversity and its forests, recognizing their essential role in the vineyard's ecosystem. Concha y Toro initiated a pioneering study in partnership with the Center for Climate Change at the Catholic University of Chile. measuring CO2 levels in its vineyards and natural forests. The study found over 360,000 tons of CO2 accumulated in the vineyard's assets, 48% more than the emissions generated by the company in 2013. Also, with Chile's ecosystem in mind, Viña Palo Alto partnered with Patagonia Sur to jumpstart an innovative conservation project. The initiative re-established endemic species in Paleña, Patagonia, planting more than 10,000 trees. Thanks to this initiative, the brand was awarded special recognition in Best Green Launch category of the prestigious Green Awards for Drink Business magazine. Concha y Toro and its affiliates are certified under the National Sustainability Code of Wines of Chile. This voluntary system allows vineyards to prove their commitment in environmental and social issues. Local grape producers who have long-term partnerships with the winery also participated in the process. The vineyard and its service partners have complied with BSCI standards. This certification ensures better working conditions and incorporates social responsibility into the company's future. Furthermore, Concha y Toro and its affiliates are certified under BRC and IFC standards, all of which assure the quality, safety, and tracking of its products. Concha y Toro has developed a series of projects for its employees and communities, focused on sharing knowledge and building a higher standard of living. A new scholarship for studies in higher education for the children of Concha y Toro employees was established, administered by the educational foundation Eduardo Gilisasti Tagle. Alongside this initiative, other scholarships are offered in the agricultural school Las Garzas in southern Chile, as well as university scholarships from the Juan Pablo II Foundation, and even recreational activities in partnership with Manchester United Soccer Schools for at-risk students. Another company milestone was set with the creation of the Center for Investigation and Innovation in 2013, strengthening Concha y Toro's abilities in community outreach and social responsibility. One of the center's main goals is viticulture investigation and research, and its conclusions will be available industry-wide as well as with local grape producers and the general public. The winery also created the Knowledge Center, a personal training center aimed at encouraging career growth and excellence among its workers. During 2013, Concha y Toro carried out its first official sustainability report, and the following year, the company joined the Global Reporting Initiative as an organizational stakeholder, being the only winery worldwide to participate in the G4 Pioneers program. Concha y Toro is dedicated to working efficiently and respectfully in every aspect of its business and aspires to be a leading company in sustainable development in the global wine industry. Moving forward, the Sustainable Development Area guides the winery in achieving its goal: to give back in each bottle that which the earth has given us.